Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What is up, YouTube? Man, it is February 10th, 2020, and let's say about 70 degrees right now. I don't know what is going on, but I am not complaining. I'm out here with my mesh jacket. Sun is shining. Man, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So, just was zipping around. Been zipping around town, running some errands. And I'm curious, how many of you out there secure your bikes in some way, shape, or form? I'm talking about a bike lock. You know, I've seen wheel devices, things that go on your front brake. I've seen things that go on your brake lever. I've seen just all sorts of things that cover the key, ignition key. You know, I asked because more and more I ride my bike around town just for business sake. You know, I do a lot of meeting with clients, and a lot of that is just in downtown area. And there has been a lot of theft, unfortunately. Motorcycles, mountain bikes, cars. And so I'm just curious what solutions. Well, first of all, if you guys even buy into it, does it really make a difference? Is it effective? Do you guys actually use something? And secondly, like, what do you use if you do? I personally think, knowing myself, because I saw one where, oh, okay, that looks effective, where like you put this thing on your front disc brake and then you wrap some cable around your handlebar so you don't forget that it's there. Because I've seen that happen. I've seen people have some locking device on their front wheel, take off, and boom, they just hit the ground. So yeah, you need that cable to remind you, oh, I have something on my front wheel. But I mean, there can be times when I'm out running errands for business and I'm stopping at 3 or 4 different places, and I can just see myself getting so annoyed with having to put it on and take it off and put it on and take it off, and that I probably wouldn't end up using it. And I'm just being honest. So, I mean, how many of you guys actually do use something? I mean, we just over there went by that one bike and in the library, and I mean, people have their helmets out. I don't do that. I don't even leave my helmet out, because thieves in this area of town, They don't wait till nightfall. I mean, they do things in broad daylight. Now, do you guys believe that saying where a little bit of deterrent is enough to have them move on to an easier target? Well, I don't see a lot of motorcycles out about, so my target might be the only target. You know, and there's that saying, if they really want it, they'll get it. But just curious. Was thinking about that even as I was traveling around today, and you know, some areas that I'm in are nice areas, nicer areas, and sometimes where I park, you look around and you're like, oh geez, I wish I just had this steel box to cover my bike with. So tell me what you guys think. How do you guys feel about that? About locking device? More interested in, are you actually using one? Or have you bought one and then got tired of using it? Which is what I'm pretty sure would end up happening to me.